Inceptor Ammunition for becoming a newest sponsor for new ammo. This stuff is fabulous. Welcome back to the Ron Gunner channel. I would like to make the announcement that for brand new factory ammo, Inceptor has become a sponsor. And I have an article that will be published here shortly on alloutdoor.com at some point in time, and I sent it in. I have no control of how fast they publish it, about my experience with the 9mm RNP, which is range of target ammo. Now, what is neat about this, it's copper and polymer molded bullets. Now, in the 9mm target range ammo, it's round nose, and I'll show that. This is actually the last box of 50 I have left, and as you can see, it is round nose. There you go. And I was able to shoot this. We did it in a ransom rest test for accuracy, and I was just completely blown away because I'm new to polymer injected bullets. Never used them prior to this. So besides this range target ammo, they also have personal defense. Here's 380, here's 9mm. Uh-oh, I'm about to lose my light here, it looks like. 9mm, their the projectile looks like it's fluted, is what it'll remind you of. And they call it their next generation defense. It's ARX, flatter, faster, harder hitting. Now, the specs on this: high velocity, flat trajectory, low recoil, barrier blind to clothing, and devastatingly effective. Now, I can tell you from this, shooting this as steel plates, you can get, I mean, I don't recommend it, but you can get up right to the steel plate within just a couple feet. And this is fragment, it just, fragments go everywhere. They don't come back on you. This is designed basically to make a massive wound channel like a drill. It's the best way to describe it. So they have it in 9, they have it in 45. Actually, I think they have it in all calibers. And I'm just totally amazed at how a polymer and copper bullet. Now it's polymer injected, molded with copper inside of it. So it's copper polymer mixed, injected into this shape. And the best way to test any ammo is a ransom rest, and it was just unbelievable. The groups, when the article comes out, I'll post a link to the article, and you can see pictures, the groups from the target, and then the gun and the rest, and all the ammo. There's boxes, I think, around it that we took pictures of. This stuff is just, yeah, it says here, the way this is designed, Inceptor ARX bullets are engineered for maximum hydraulic displacement and terminal energy transfer to the target. So it's not only spinning from the rifling, the lateral force from this coming at you spins it like a drill bit, would be the best way to put it. So if you've ever been wondering about polymer bullets, I would say check Inceptor out and see what they have. I mean, they got a whole stave. You got rifle 223. I have not shot any of that yet. I hope to very soon. So basically, all this ammo will be used in all my training classes. Personal defense classes, we'll use personal defense ammo. all that. And as far as my reloads, I still reload with Rainier ballistics because I got the best scores ever with Rainier reloading, and that's all my matches are reloaded ammo. They're fine-tuned to my particular Glocks. But for everything else, it's going to be Inceptor. So do yourself a favor, check them out. I'm telling you, they're well worth a look. Buy a box or two, try them out, see what you think. So again, it was a quick update. I want to thank Inceptor for becoming the newest sponsor for our new ammo and covering all of our classes and range days. And you'll be seeing more videos in use as we go. I got here and fix that light. Thank you.